called 10 lost years. So we have looked at this whole shenanigans that have been taking place here, where funds are lost, where projects are not completed, where hospitals are in a very bad state of repair, where there are no drugs, and where there is no real development. So we made a decision that, in line with the present trend of people coming together to serve the same purpose, if you have the same intentions, we have decided ourselves with Mheshimiwa Ben Momanyi that we will work together. It may not be a coalition, political coalition like we know it now, but it will be a meeting.